I'm excited. Yeah. I do think I'm gonna cry. I didn't think I was going to, but I cried for Dad, so like, I'm probably definitely gonna cry for Sam.
You're gonna come, Kiri's
Would that
gonna
say
come
okay?
to like here, and then I'm gonna tell him when to turn around.
Kira, are you crying yet?
A little bit.
I figured.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. 'Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying.
You got it.
I believe in you.
You got it.
I know you got this.
You got it.
Just keep on trying.
You got it.
You.
You look so good. Oh, wow.
You went with the tie that I wanted.
You went with the tie. You look beautiful. Oh my God. This is great. Where'd you get this? I miss you so much.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulder.
Family, friends, honored guests. I can't start today off without recognizing that we have someone missing. 1 year ago, we lost someone really important. Oh my God, what is wrong with me? She was a wife, a mother, and a friend. I know her absence is very much felt today. Cheryl Weisbuck did what she wanted, when she wanted, and definitely in her own way. When you lose someone, the grief takes up a very large space in your heart. But so does love. And that is here in abundance today. And because Cheryl would definitely be mad that we haven't gotten to the reason we're here today, I'm just gonna start.
All that you are is all that I'll ever need.
Our love story that began the night we watched this one get married unfolded in ways that have felt so cosmically designed, especially after we lost your mom, and on 11/11 no less. The universe was perhaps a bit heavy-handed there. Such pain and such beauty all on the same day. But no matter the side, all of it is love.
So in love. So in love. So in love.
Your strength and love helped me get through the hardest 2 months of my life. The love my mom had for you and you for my mom was tremendous. While she isn't here with us physically, I know her spirit is watching over us every day, along with Granny, Pappy, and all of our loved ones. Over the last 4 years, you and your family welcomed me and all of my craziness with open arms, accepting me for me and not trying to change that for the most part. The love I have for you and your family is astronomical, and I am so thankful to be a part of it and your family a part of mine. As we take this next step in our life together, in our lifelong journey together, I make you these promises. I promise to always stand by your side in good times and bad.
I will tell you I love you every day, even when you're on my nerves.
I promise to always be truthful and honest, even when the truth can hurt.
Even when the vulnerability feels like it could swallow me whole, I will trust you. I will remember that I am not alone in this.
I promise to always be your biggest advocate no matter the situation. I promise to be your navigator and sidekick in all of life's adventures.
Together, we'll keep doing the next right thing, and we'll keep holding hands, and we'll believe that all will be well.
I know there are a million promises I could make to you today, but I would rather make those promises throughout the rest of my life as I stand by your side till our dying day.
I don't know how I'm going to follow that, but I'll try.
Wait, one. I love you, Carrie. I love you, Key, and I am so happy that today and for the rest of my days, I get to call you my wife. I love you.
There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah, always carrying that oh so heavy load. When you feel like there's too much on your plate, just call on me, and I'll help you carry some of that weight. I wanna make you understand, let you know that there's always a helping hand. 'Cause I know we can make it, yeah we can make it if we try. Yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying.